Start.
Hello everyone. Today I, Adarsh Singh, is here to tell you the summarization of the chapter The Bear Story. This chapter is for class 7, the supplementary notebook named The Alien Hand. Once upon a time, there lived a lady with her pet bear in a forest. The bear was very fond of eating vegetables, fruits, porridge, and cabbage, and many more. One day, when the lady was going to eat lunch with her sister, who was newly married, when she was going on her way, she found it a big bear who was chasing her. She got very angry because she thought that the bear was her pet. She threw her parasol or umbrella on the bear, by which the umbrella broke into two pieces. After returning to the home, the lady saw the bear at his usual place. She went there and shouted at him. The lady chef who worked there liked the bear as her child. So she went there and told that the bear was here from the morning. Then the lady understood that the bear she met at her way was another friendly bear. So by this the lady concluded that the bear she met her was another friendly bear as he didn't attack on her. So the moral of the story is we should not judge animal so quickly without knowing the situation or the fact. This story is written by the author Axel Mundi. I hope you all like my summarization. Thank you for listening to me patiently.